Here's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: streaming audio, front heated leather bucket seats, power heated mirrors, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, dual zone climate control, automatic suspension management, auto dimming rear view mirror, and turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Hurry in today for a test drive.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.